together DMOs from around the world to tackle some common challenges.
The entire buyer decision process of how the consumer engaged tourism was completely changed.
Some people are doing incredible work and everyone's learning and trying things.
Nashville branded ourselves as Music City.
For Tourism New Zealand, around 90% of our spend on marketing globally is digital.
10 years after Katrina, we're almost back to where we were for tourism numbers.
We're really lucky at Destination Think because we have the opportunity to talk to some of the smartest destination marketers around the world.
The key to this event is that the original business models of destinations have been disrupted. And we've seen organisations all over the world experimenting with different things. And some people are doing incredible work. And everyone's learning and trying things on their own. But bringing everyone together into one place to have one global conversation is what Destination Think Forum is all about.
We have identified 4 key themes that DMOs are dealing with. The first one is the impact of tourism on the environment and the quality of life of residents. The second one is maintaining a sustainable funding model and communicating value back to your stakeholders. The third one is a new way of marketing, not just through promotion, but also by developing remarkable products and experiences. And the last one is a new way of collaboration with your traditional partners, but also with non-traditional partners, which includes people like residents, local businesses, but also maybe your destination advocates. People want to learn from each other. So when we were designing this conference, we did a lot of research. We talked to a lot of DMOs to understand what the fundamental challenges were. In the registration process of the conference, we're learning about each participant. We'll be able to get the people in the audience to participate in the conversation as well. Then we go to break. After the break, we're actually going to move into a different room where we're going to roll up our sleeves and in small groups going to specifically discuss these challenges, what the specific challenges are, what the role is of the DMO, and what some of the next steps are to tackle them with specific action items. Then we're going to compare notes and see if we can get to some sort of consensus that everybody can take away of how to move forward with each of these challenges, so that you have something really tangible that you can take home, some new ideas that you can bring forward, and some new connections that you've made to stay in touch with. And if you look at those 4 themes combined, it will ultimately lead to what is the role of the DMO now and in the future, what is the right business model in order to consistently provide value to your industry so that the economic benefits are maintained without compromising the environment or quality of life, and how do I need to organize myself in order to be effective and efficient, and what partnerships do I need to have in place in order to make this all happen. In the selection process of our delegates, we're really looking for a good cross-section of DMOs. So we want national tourism organizations to attend, but also provincial or state, cities, but also smaller towns, so that there's a really good mix. We want a global presence, and we're also looking for some diversity in roles at the organization, ranging from the CEO level down to vice president and director or manager.